have to. The light. Okay, there. Okay, now it's harder. Oh my god, I'm so anxious to these things. Hi Mireya, how are you? So one, another word, a body drunk, a headache, terrible. Yes. Oh Mireya, I have an aspirin. If you want, so you can get it. Yeah. Ready? Stupid bored. Thank you. Hi, Maggie. Good morning. How are you? Hi. But Mireya is a little sick. I'm sorry. It's late. Yes, I know. You can take off the train? That train? Yes. Stupid train. Yes. I know. Well, you have to report or no? You have to. The report? No. The report is today? Yeah. Daddy. No. What did you do yesterday? I went to a movie. Yes. What movie did you see? You won? Really? Yes. A beautiful movie. Yes. Some friends told me that this movie was is very romantic and have a lot of action. It's very romantic, the effects are very good, and the actors very handsome. Yes, and I ate a lot of popcorn, soda, and chocolate. Yes. And what did you do? Nothing. My father went out, and I have to stay home with my siblings. Your sister, siblings. Yes. And you why did you I'm sorry, I don't mean to report. But it's not my problem. Sorry. The party was so great. You had a party yesterday? Yes, I got drunk with a lot of tequila. I see. Mireya, te cate like for peace. And you take some? Yes, aspirin. Yes. So I get more. Well, okay. Well, I need to finish the report because Yes, me too. Yeah, well, do you want to listen music? Yeah, just in case. Pop music.
Well, today in the news we have a special report. If you don't see the TV last night, you have to be great and be prepared in case of you have a problem. It's coming an earthquake, a big earthquake of 7.6 scale of Richter. The precautions now is to be with quietly, calm, and constant calm. You need to get supplies, a lot of supplies. The more water, the more food that you need to have, and get it now, because this is gonna be in 10 minutes or less. Well, less fast because it's gonna be soon. The other thing is gonna be like you get medicine, and something medicine in case of you have injured or something that would be dangerous. Well, this is all in the news. We had to cut this transmission because I need to put a safe place.
And if Mireya, do you think that?
Ah, great. I'm sorry, yes. Because I have
in the news the report said that yes, an earthquake.
An earthquake?
Yes.
In this place?
Yes.
I don't think so.
The report said, I don't know.
The report is wrong.
Maybe.
Maybe it's how do you say? It's not possible because how the government make a lot of, the government are very truth.
It's a liar.
It's a liar, yes, I don't think
Like the weather.
they're going to be snowing
And
we are
change all the time.
Yes, but I don't think that.
I think yes. Yes, maybe it happened.
Well, yes, if you say
No, I think yes. If it happened, I have water and medicine. I have medicine and
food.
food. And yes, I think maybe it happened.
Well, maybe. Well, if the earthquake is coming, I have some.
Yes, medicine and water. It's not a lot for us, but I think it is. The other report said that the earthquake is 7.6 in the scale.
Yes, sorry.
It's very high.
Well, but I have some question about that because, I think that it's not possible. But maybe have some medicines and, in the... Yes, and maybe in the cafeteria have a non-perishable food and more water. Yes, it's very important. Well, in case of the earthquake.
Yes, I think yes.
Maybe yes.
No.
What's up, Daddy? I don't know. My hair. That's true.
Yes, I told you,
My hair is closed. My hair is closed.
No. Are you okay, Mireya?
My hair is closed. I have a pain in my stomach. Where are the virus?
Oh, the office is a match.
Welcome to you.
Well, we didn't make it. Oh, the rhino was very, very strong. My cell phone.
My reporter copy.
Oh, it doesn't work, my cell phone. No.
I don't know.
My family.
Please help us. That we are okay.
Yes.
Hey girls, it's okay? I should know, but are you okay?
Yes, more or less.
Well, you can go home for this day and for another if you want, because this is gonna be happen suddenly. Well, I'm gonna check it out to get accommodated this situation. Well, that's it.
Remember we are survivors.
Yes.
Was very, very awful. The radio told us, but it was true.
Right,
Yes. Sorry, Danny, for
Don't
more attention. But I think that don't take it close.
Yes. I'm going to my house.
Yes,
I know my family.
Yes, but I don't know why my family was getting me to make sure.
I don't know, really clean the office.
Yes, we go. I know I need to go.
Yes, bye, bye.
Oh my God.
I know, too much.